Is your meat being modified? Just like people, meat comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. So, how does the meat in some grocery stores look so uniformly bright red? Something smells fishy. To keep the appeal of meat, some are injected with carbon monoxide. Yep, the same deadly, odorless gas that is radiated from car exhaust pipes, charcoal grills, lawnmowers, and more. Summertime fun? Do you suffer from headaches, fatigue, or nausea? Severe cases may lead to a weak pulse, respiratory failure, and eventually death. We realize you may not be able to go cold turkey. Ha! No pun intended. But hopefully, we can at least help point you to a better direction. I mean, if you're still gonna eat meat, consider meats free of GMOs, antibiotics, growth hormones, chemicals, dyes, and other additives. Head to our website to see how you can feed your family better while supporting your local farmer.